This is so, like, long, and this isn't. Where is it?
You just turned one side while I was waiting, and you just made it tight.
No, you always right. Now no one needs you around with me. But nobody even around with me. Been through the ups and the downs of me. Got a whole lot of love, but you don't wanna spend it down on me. Yeah, never pick up, never call me. You know we're running out of time. Never pick up when you want me. Now I gotta draw a line. Baby, I done enough talking. Need to know that you're mine. Baby, we done enough talking. Gotta be right now, right now. But baby,
What do you think of the scenery? Did we pass that place with all the tanks yet?
It looks like a place where I've been before. But this looks suspicious.
No. Not really. What?
Can people spot it? Why is there a melted crab in there?
Let me see. Oh, there's a granite in there. So now, oh! I forgot it was spinning. I just put it down. And I was like, oh. Look at me. You can pull the thing out. Like it can, the whole thing comes out. Yeah, there you go. Oh, of course. The granite here, so now it's all melted. I mean, it's cleanable, but
My hair is all messed up.
here. We're like 5 minutes late. 10 minutes late.
I want to do this again.
Music for the X's, those with that X, those expecting love, and those expecting today's best music.
My station for hit music.
Z93 is Yuma's station for today's music. The Kid Craddock Morning Show and Bob and Sherry.
Oh my god.
Daniel. Daniel.
I swear. He's gonna go in like dude, it's gonna come out. That is white plate. That's disgusting.
Daniel, look. Look.
He doesn't want
Yeah.
it. Okay, we're like 5 minutes late.
Oh! I heard a pop. It looks like an alligator tail. Don't squeeze it all the way in, because it could get stuck, something could get stuck in.
And I'm feeling. Oh, it should come out that way. It's not gonna come out perfectly.
Oh, don't do it. We'll do it like this.
Come on, dude. Don't mess with Play-Doh.
Well, it's fun.
I know, but you'll forget to put it up, and then it'll dry out, and then she won't have it.
No. I'll put it back
Oh, here's the
inside.
little girl toys.
It's also boy toys.
Oh, that's a girl. That's pretty cool. Where'd you get that? How much? Where'd you get this at? It's Jonathan's. Oh, yeah? That's pretty cool. Yeah. He has the $sign one back here. Kind of heavy.
That's why I could have.
That would hurt if like you hit yourself with it if it's really going. Yeah, I just did in the nuts though. I forgot I was spinning. I just put it down and and it just smacked me.
Daniel, look. Daniel, did you see it? He said 5 more minutes until we get there. Then 5 more than 5 minutes.
Okay, another 5.
Another 5
I said 10. 5 to 10. So we have another. Maybe we have maybe 2 minutes.
Oh!
It's not this one though.
That one?
No, this is one connected thing. It's the one on the other side.
Oh, no,
The one on the other side is really small, but we're going to the river. It's not into the.
It's over the mountains or it's over there?
No, it's on this side. You'll see. Okay, you see where the you see this the
Yeah.
protector, right? Like the thing that protects the cars from rolling down the hill. You see where that ends all the way over there? We're turning down there, and that's where it is. See the green stuff? That's where the river is.
Look, it has an extra. So, have
This is where it is. You can see the water now.
Oh, we have to turn down. Whoa, it had a lot of extra. And good extra.
C93 broadcasting from the Buffalo Wild Wings Studios, home of the Half Price Wing Tuesday. Buffalo Wild Wings. Wings, beer, sports.
Is there rattlesnakes around here?
Rattlesnakes everywhere.
Oh. Is there water snakes?
Water snakes?
Yeah.
In the reeds, I think.
Reeds.
Oh.
So we're gonna be
They
away
won't
from them.
bother you if you don't bother them.
They don't swim in the water.
It's going on.
They're in the reeds. So they're I'll show you what reeds are.
So they can go under the water?
I don't know.
Like what is called water snakes?
I think.
Alright, Dominic, you wanna get out and help me?
Yeah.
Ooh! What? I didn't even push it. I just let it go.